assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hello dear Qadida, how are you everything?
Alhamdulillah, everything is fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also doing good by the mercy of Almighty Allah.
As far as I know, it will be held on the mid of December.
How much true is that?
I can say that, but I heard it from our best principal.
I also heard that, but I wanted to be sure you about that because you are so close.
So what's your plan after annual examination? We're talking that our decision.
I have already decided that I will take my admission here. What about you?
Where will you? If goes everything, I like this and my favorite, I will determine to complete my family level for here.
What's your preparation going on?
Alhamdulillah, I have almost finished now. I am getting to double preparation for the examination.
I know you are a brilliant student, but you have to answer properly of every question.
From the beginning of November, I read 5 pages to the enrolls my writing expert.
Okay, see you tomorrow in the class.
Best of luck for your examination.
Same to you, bye.
Bye.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.